हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। और आज हम एनालिसिस कर रहे थे नेक्स्ट वीक मार्केट की एंड देन मंडे ट्रेड प्लान। ओके, बोथ ऑफ देम। सो लास्ट वीक का रिव्यू एक बार क्विकली कर देते हैं विद इन 30 सेकेंड्स। लास्ट वीक का मैंने पिछले वीडियो में भी आपको बोला था दैट वेयर वी कट आवर शॉर्ट पोजीशन। एक्चुअली वी कट आवर शॉर्ट पोजीशन हियर 38,500। हमारा व्यू तो बाय ऑन डिप्स का था, बट वी चेंज इट ऑन द ट्यूसडे क्लोजिंग, राइट। वेडनेसडे का जो था, हमने बोला था कि मार्केट अगर इसके नीचे जाएगा तो it basically cut the position in loss, right? Okay. Now, did we predict that? Not prediction exactly, but did we guess that next week our view probably might not go well, and we need to change it on Monday closing or Tuesday closing? Probably yes, and that's what we have said in the community tab in the Friday also, because the data looks to me a little bit fishy. They will stay on buy on dips based on price pattern, chart patterns, and all those, but we have changed it in during the week. Next week के लिए the view, what would be the view? Okay, the next week के लिए the view is ideally मोटा मोटा range bound. I'll come to bank nifty before later. Let's talk about nifty. So I'll start with the Astro timing. If you want to take a screenshot here, you can take a screenshot. The timings are basically Monday 9:15 to 10:30 market is basically down, but not big. That means it will be recover after 10:30. That's what it looks like. 10:40 to 12:15. This is the only 2 hours where you can get a good positive movement on the Monday. And 12:30 to 3:30 market looks range bound. So there are many pointers. I mean 10-15 minute ranges pointers where market is positive, negative, and all those. So it would be really confusing for me to actually go for a very solid view after 12:30 in the market, especially on Monday. But should we sell? Probably not. Can I buy? Yes. Okay, that you can do actually. So sale में शायद you might not make money. Buy me, you might make money, because those 10-15 minute ranges candles where we are seeing green candles, then green candles can be big. Red candles are not big. Okay, the green candles can be big. So if the green candles becomes big, still you can make money. Okay, especially future trading. So 12:30 to 3:30, I already said it's range bound, but the downside is limited. So do not buy PE at least. Okay, that's what I would be my preference. Tuesday market looks like a good positive candle. Only 1.5 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours of timing where it is actually there are red candles, and those red candles can be furious. Okay, I'll give you the timing on Monday intraday video. Wednesday first half up to 11:30, either range bound or down. Mostly I would expect it on a downside because it's a Wednesday. The premiums will be eaten by the people, and then after 11:30 we see a very good positive sign on Wednesday, because either the Wednesday the first half would be positive or the second half would be negative, something like that, right, to eat the premiums. But this Wednesday we're seeing the first half as downside, but the downside is limited, and then we see good positive sign after 11:30. Thursday the first half is mota positive, and after 12:30 it is down. Okay, and Friday up to 12:15 up, then we may see a downside, but not big. Okay, so this is a very difficult situation to be in, ideally, where we are saying on the Friday the second half, of course, is we generally say downside, but we are saying that it will not be big. Okay, so we will see whether we want to bet depending upon the level or not on the second half of the Friday. So if you look at the mota view, what is the view that you can see? If you minus Tuesday wala view, where we are saying we might see a good positive candle, rest everything actually looks to me range bound ultimately, right? So you can take a screenshot of this, and I'll just keep the Monday wala view and then remove everything else. Okay, so that means what is the view this week? This week the view is range bound. That means what I'm recommending, is do not play positional this week. Okay, do not play positional this week, option buyers especially. Okay, Option buyers do not play positional this week. I'll tell you that what is the position that you can take depending upon the amount of movement that the market can give. Bank Nifty, it is only 700, 800 points. Positional you can get. The 700, 800 points you can get in a day. Say why to play throughout the entire week? It doesn't make sense, right? Okay. So my personal view would be I will personally going to trade intraday only. Okay. Future players, of course, can do because future players, if only naked, if you're going with the option, then you might not make big money because option will be decayed. Okay. And future movement might be ultimately by the end of Friday might be very, very less. Okay. So if you're playing naked, you can do. Otherwise, I would not recommend. Try to do intraday only. Okay. Okay. Now, with this view, let us see Nifty first. We'll go to Bank Nifty later. If you see Nifty, there are labels that we have here, of course, but if I want to just do a trend line here, right? For example, can I do this trend line if we minus the wicks a little bit, right? So this is the trend line that you can probably draw on a daily time frame, and you can see what market is telling us ideally. If the trend line is broken and sustained, okay, if the trend line is broken and sustained, then we might see a very good fall and people might consider it as a breakdown ideally. Okay. If that happens, okay, if that happens, let it happen on Monday itself, because Monday, first 1 hour, 9:15 to 10:30, we have a very good downside. Okay. So let it happen on the first hour, and then the market reverses either this on the double bottom or especially at this level, 17,571, whatever level it is. Okay. So timing and price के हिसाब से हम बात करेंगे. So anyway, first you take the weekly labels. Okay, Astro timing हो गया. Weekly labels. Our mid support resistance is at 17,880. Our resistance one would be 18,100. Okay. Resistance 2 would be 18,400. Mota mota. I'm not expecting market to come here, of course. I'm only expecting market to come 18,100, 150 maximum. Okay, which is previous weekly high, 123. Best case, let's say Wednesday, Tuesday could give an ultra bull run, and Wednesday also first after first half sale, second half it gives a very, very good bull run after 11:30, right? So Tuesday, Wednesday, if you can combine, and the candles, green candles are really, really big. The max that I can see, I'm not going up to resistance 2. The max that I can see is 18,280. Okay, so right now it is at 17,780 lelo mota mota. So 500 point only, max to max. But this is also, I'm still not positive. Okay, but I'm pretty much positive that if this trend line is sustained, market should come 18,000. 120 के आसपास it should come before falling down. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday 120 and then fall down. Okay, sorry, Tuesday, Wednesday 120 and then fall down, might be possible. Okay, now there are two. This trend line is going to be important for sure, because the psychology is going to be changed if the trend line is broken ideally. Okay, if the trend line is broken, and ideally in the double bottom here, 17,620, and this level is 17,570. Okay, right? So मोटा मोटा आप ले लो 17,600 के आसपास अगर, और ये डबल बॉटम 610, 600 मार्केट whatever. Okay, 17,600 के आसपास अगर मार्केट मिलता है, that means we are talking about 150 point falls again in 1 hour. Is it possible? I don't know. Okay, but by chance weekly play कैसे करना है? By chance market comes here, you are going to do a buy. I really doubt that this week market will go below 17,600. Not possible. So that means we have a only limited downside next week, which is a 150 point downside max to max. But there is no guarantee that market would come 17,600 and it will go. It might go from here also. Okay, so we'll talk in Monday trading. But weekly view up जो लेगा, the downside limit would be 17,600 max to max. So extreme trading you can do at this level. Upside target would be 18,100. इतना आ जाना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. And then ultra bull अगर मिलता है तो 18,300 I still think it is rare, but yeah, let's see. Okay, but 18,000 would be a 100 would be a safe target. It will not come in a straight line. I'll tell you why. I have already given you the Astro view. I'll tell you at level, at price action also, at what levels market can give you selling reactions. Okay, ठीक है. So हमारा जो ये week का जो range हो जाता है हमारा 18,120 से लेके 17,600. Okay, 520 points का range है Nifty का. And then we will see how we are going to trade. Okay. Now, if you come to Bank Nifty, guys, which looks like at a support, okay, which looks like at a support, let us do a little bit, go a little bit far. Okay, right. And you see a trend line support here also, mota mota. If I draw like this, here. Okay, so this is ideally 3 touch points. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is actually have taken a support on the trend line for sure. Okay, it has taken a support in the trend line for sure. What you need to do ideally is, if the जैसे बैंक निफ्टी में मैंने बोला, what I said, if the trend line is broken, the psychology would be a little bit different. Then you don't buy if the trend line is broken. I mean, you will buy, but at levels. Okay, you can go for a little bit of sell, and then basically the level weekly level दे देते हैं. It's exactly same scenario like Nifty. Next week, actually, Nifty's and Bank Nifty's price action might remain same, where it has not been same this week. It a little bit desync. That means Nifty failed more than Bank Nifty ideally. Okay, every candle of Nifty was 200 points plus, but Bank Nifty has different stuff. Anyway, ignore that. So if this trend line is broken ideally, so the level that we are going to buy is around 37,465. 500 आप ले लो मोटा मोटा 37,500 का जो लेवल है, that is going to be a do or die level for Bank Nifty this week on the downside. Okay, my personal view is, जैसे मैंने निफ्टी में बोला, 17,600 would be our downside limit. Bank Nifty में भी our downside limit should be around 37,500. That means even if the trend line is broken, we should go for a buy from this. Okay, and especially if it happens in the morning, that means we're talking about a 400 point fall in the morning in first 1.5 hours, and then market gives a reversal reaction from here. Okay, and then we would see downsides in between the day, as there are 3 days which are range bound in nature, but ultimately this will not be broken. So P sellers, especially option buyers के लिए तो intraday play है. The option sellers, you can actually sell PE. You can probably sell 38,000 ka PE probably. Okay, now let's take the weekly target. Okay, if you want to do a in the money selling, the weekly target mein, our midterm support, this is a very, very crucial zone. That's why I've drawn 2 levels here. So 38,360, ये जो previous week की low भी है, 38,350 ले लो. Okay, 38,350 and this level is 38,450. This is a 100-point gap. Okay, छोटा दिख रहा है, but this is like a 100-point gap. Okay, right. So this midterm support resistance would be 38,350. Our support one is 37,437. Our resistance one, you can see there is a heavy difference between my support and the mid level, right? The huge difference. But my resistance is actually very near to the mid level. The 38,350 and 38,850, only 500 point ga difference here. But here the difference is almost 1,000 point. Okay. Now that might make you a little bit confused that how you are going to trade at supports and resistances ideally, which is our weekly levels ideally, right? So the best trade would be 38,350. अगर market sustain कर जाता है, go for this 500 point buying. This would be a very, very good trade. Okay, that means how market would react. For example, market going from, and it's reacting like this. Okay, so this 500 point would be a very, very good buy. And this is the buying I was talking about, the 600, 700 point positional buying in nature. You might get it in an intraday. ओके, दिस लेवल टू दिस लेवल का बाइंग हमें मिस नहीं करना है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वीक 38,350 टू 38,800, ओके, 450 पॉइंट्स का बाइंग है, ये बाइंग हमें मिस नहीं करना है। द सेलर्स, ओके, if market is from going from bottom towards the top side, the sellers might come here, the sellers might come here, okay, that is what I'm saying, that if this level is sustained, then only go for a buying. Okay, now if sellers are coming from here, there might be a big selling. If the sellers are coming from here, there might be small selling and market would go up. Okay, so 350 और 450 level का importance समझना बहुत जरूरी है। 350 level जो है, the selling might be a little bit bigger. 450 mein the selling will not be bigger, it will be 100 point fall only, and then market should go up. Okay, now my target, guys, Bank Nifty mein, the target, first target on the upper side is 38,800 and the second target is 39,350, and this level is coinciding with our FIBO level. So max to max I'm looking at 39,350 to 400 ka level in Bank Nifty. Okay, so yet from today's Friday's closing, we're talking about ideally 1400 points upside, and this I cannot guarantee you. Okay, but this level is almost guaranteed if Monday the timing view goes well. That means if Monday in the after 10:30 we see a good bull run and it is sustaining on the upper side, Tuesday we are positive this target is easily achievable. So 38,800 would be our target, which is like 1,000 point from the closing till now, till Friday. And then rest is basically bonus, that we can see whether we can go for a 39,400 target next week or not. We will see on an intraday basis. I've already told you I'm going to play intraday irrespective of how lucrative the play, positional play is intraday. Okay, but this target I cannot guarantee. This probably might come very, very easily. Okay, now coming to Bank Nifty, if you look at the fall that has happened in Bank Nifty especially, okay, so 41,800, 42,000 le lo mota mota, and this is 38,000 mota mota le lo. Okay, 4,000 point fall in Nifty. Okay, it's 4,000 point, sorry, Bank Nifty, 4,000 fall in Bank Nifty is ideally a 10% correction in the index, right? More than 10%. It's almost 11 to its index is right now 38,000, right? Sorry, 40,000 से हम अगर लेंगे, yeah, 4,000, 41,000 का अगर spot reference लेते हैं, it is a 10%, exactly a 10% correction in an index. Okay, and I have told it in the group, people, if you remember, anything more than 10% in an index is ideally called crash. Okay, it's ideally called crash, and I don't think that the Indian Bank Nifty index is in a crash mode. That is what my personal view is. So if the 4,000 point fall has happened, we should at least see a 1,000 to 1,500 point ka retracement, at least. Maybe next week or maybe next to next week combined, whatever it is. But at least my downside limitation should be limited. Downside should be limited. Okay, that is what the view is. That means you have a golden chance. If Monday market falls for the first 1.5 hours, as we are predicting, you can go for a buy. It would be a confident buy. Doesn't need to wait for this level. लेवल आ गया तो बहुत बढ़िया बात है, अदरवाइज 10:30 में ये लेवल से भी आप बाइंग कर सकते हो, विच इज आइडियली डबल बॉटम 37,700 से भी आप बाइंग कर सकते हो। तो मंडे ट्रेडिंग में मैं बताऊंगा, डोंट नीड टू वेट फॉर 500। ओके, आया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो 37,700 आफ्टर 10:30 यू कैन बाय ऑन मंडे, से लॉस तो नहीं होगा एटलीस्ट आई टेल। ओके, बट डू नॉट टेक इट पोजिशनल एज एन ऑप्शन बायर। I'll tell you why. The reason I'm telling you not to take it as an option buyer positional, because let's say even if we get a buying from 37,700, the resistances, not daily, weekly basis mein bata raha hu, in a weekly basis pe the resistances would be this level 38,300, 38,450, 350 and 450. Okay, that means what we are saying, if market is going from here, after first 700 point itself you would get a good sell. मैंने बोला था ये level पे will get a good sell, ये level पे will get a 100 point sell. So you can see a good sell. Okay, by considering the timing, Tuesday को अगर हम छोड़ दें, Wednesday also we have a good sell, right, on the first half. So if the good sell happens, your premium is gone. As option buyer, you will not be able to make money. So pay attention to that. Pay intraday only. I'm repeating this sentence many times just to make sure that you play intraday option buyers. Okay, all right. Okay, right. So at this level, it would be a wonderful buy. Okay, target मैंने आपको already दे दिया है. Let us come to Monday's view. That how you are going to trade Monday. Okay. Okay, let's come here. So now this trend line, we don't need it. Okay. Now let's do this. So we can probably draw a channel here, 5-minute time frame. Okay. And draw a channel here. I mean, trend line here. So this is your channel, right? Ideally, if the channel is broken, let's say, which we are expecting to basically make it a fall. Okay. I mean, we need to see, let's take the highest swing, 500 points, right? And if I just draw, ये almost आपको 500 पॉइंट के आसपास मिल रहा है ये लेवल. Okay, around this level. So let's say market, okay, let's say market respects this pattern and falls down in the morning itself. Okay, 500 point. The moment it falls, as I said, this would be our golden level to buy for sure. This is our support. I already said our weekly levels are generally way expected. There is a huge range between the mid level and the support in bank Nifty, especially. Okay, 1000 point का range है ये, ठीक है. So once the 1000 point, so how market will react? Since from the mid level is our magnet level, right? The more market will go down, there are very high chances that market will come back to this magnetic level. Okay, and 1000 point is a good point in Bank Nifty, I think, to pull it through towards the magnet level. Okay, तो ये लेवल तो आपको पता ही है, मतलब यहाँ पे आता है तो कल आपको बाई करना है. मॉर्निंग में आप से ले सकते हो, स्पेशली इफ द चैनल इज ब्रोकन. दैट इज व्हाई आई ड्रॉन द चैनल, क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में 9:30 to 10:30, 9 to 10:30 हमारा डाउन साइड दिख रहा है. तो ये चैनल अगर ब्रेक हो जाता है तो एक बार आप से ले सकते हो मॉर्निंग में ही. बट माई व्यू वुड बी के 37,700 पे थोड़ा आपको ट्रेल करना है क्लोजली. एंड देन उसके बाद अगर बोनस मिल जाता है तो बढ़िया बात है. 10:30 के आसपास क्लोज करो, उसके बाद बाइंग इनिशिएट करो. 10:30 के बाद आप बाइंग सेलिंग में मत रहना. दिस इज आवर सिनेरियो 1 कल टुमारो. Okay, the scenario 2, if it is opens inside the channel, okay, if it is opening inside the channel, see if it might probably respect the channel tomorrow also. Okay, possible hai, ठीक है. That means for example it is, let's say, doing a gap up और ये channel के यहाँ से basically it starts falling, which is around 950. नहीं, ठीक है, मतलब ओपन होके मॉर्निंग में ही आता है. एंड अराउंड 10:30 आपका कहाँ पे आता है, यहाँ पे आता है. एंड यहाँ से मार्केट पिवट का सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर चला जाए. फर्स्ट टारगेट वुड बी 38,250 एंड द सेकंड टारगेट माइट बी, विच इज अराउंड 330 के आसपास, माइट बी अराउंड 38,350. ओके, ये 250 है, ये 350, 100 पॉइंट का ही रेंज है. दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 38,000 to 38,254, 400 नहीं, sorry, 250 points. So 250 points की buying we are expecting. Okay, देखो, this scenario might happen tomorrow. जरूरी नहीं है कि चैनल ब्रेकडाउन हो जाए बैंक निफ्टी में. This scenario might happen, and this, if this scenario happens, this is exactly how it is going to happen, the way I'm actually drawing it out. Okay, इस तरह से मार्केट ऊपर जाने की पॉसिबिलिटीज है. 10:30 पे अगर ये चैनल टच कर देता है बॉटम, तो आप एक बाई ले सकते हो कॉन्फिडेंटली. व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग ए बाय? बिकॉज हियर वी हैव ए पिवट, हियर वी हैव पिवट फॉर टुमारो, सीपीआर पिवट. सो मार्केट अगर गैप अप होकर ऊपर से नीचे आता है, सो पिवट से रिएक्शन देना चाहिए आपको, अपर साइड ही देना चाहिए. सो दिस 250 पॉइंट्स बाइंग वुड बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट बाइंग फॉर मी टुमारो if this scenario happens. Scenario 1 मैंने already आपको बोला है, which is like a breakdown, and the breakdown buys are 37,700 and 37,500 के आसपास. Okay, because this is outside. This is the blind buy. 37,450 500 अगर मार्केट आ जाता है, स्पेशली दिस इज अ जोन, एक्चुअली जोन में टॉप में भी जाएगा, बॉटम में भी जाएगा. सो 37,480 if market touches, or either 440, okay, whatever it is, this is a 40-point zone. So in this 40-point zone you can go for a buying, and it would be a very, very confident blind buy, lucky buy for us. Okay, if market gives us a buying at this level, so pay attention to that. But what I'm saying, that this scenario may happen, may not happen. Okay, the second scenario that might happen is here. Okay, and the third scenario that happens is basically market is opening flat, especially below this level 37,950 के नीचे, that means 20-30 point. तो market अगर ये level से ओपन होके फर्स्ट हाफ एन आवर नीचे की तरफ सस्टेन कर जाता है, we still have the buys at these levels only, considering the timing. But in that case, my view is Bank Nifty's target would be limited to this trend lines resistance actually, and ये जो हमारा black level है, which is around 38,100. That means 700 से 100 की बाइंग आपको एक बार मिल सकती है, but this would be a 400 point की बाइंग. But in that case, I would not go for a 400 point buying guaranteed. It might come up at the end of the day, but my first target would be pivot only 37,980, 38,000 ले लो. So 300 point की buying and then 150 point का bonus. Okay guys, scenario 3 याद हो गया. Okay, flat opening में below this level, let it come down 37,100 to यहाँ तक दे. Okay, and then it closes around this level somewhere 38,100 के आसपास, because view is anywhere range bound on Monday. Okay, so ये up down दोनों साइड देगा. So this would be our scenario 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 scenario. I'm not expecting market to like gap up and go tomorrow. Okay, market to gap up and go tomorrow. इतना बड़ा बुल तो मेरे को मंडे मार्केट दिख नहीं रहा है. So I'm not discussing that scenario, but what I'm saying is, if market opens above this channel straight in Bank Nifty, that means around 38,200 के plus सीधा open कर देता है and first 1 hour वहां पे sustain कर जाता है, then guys what I'm expecting is market would be, might be extremely range bound tomorrow in these areas. Okay, extremely range bound tomorrow in these areas. Okay, so in that case we will see in live that how we are going to trade. Okay, so one trade can happen if this trend line is broken, market can come down to here, but I really doubt. But what I'm saying is that in scenario there would not be any trade from my side, because it would be confusing. We can actually look for a sell at this level or this level in terms of scalping. If you're doing a scalping from here, 100 point ka sell. If you're doing a scalping from here, you can look for a 200-250 point ka sell. Okay, but this might be very difficult area for us to trade. Okay, because यहाँ पे squeeze हो जाएगा, volatile हो सकता है but squeeze हो जाएगा. That is what my view is. Tomorrow I think Bank Nifty should not go beyond 38,474. This would be our upper side limit tomorrow. Okay, 474 maximum जाएगा तो जाएगा. अगर डाउन साइड में सिनेरियो होता है, I don't think Bank Nifty, ये तो वीकली लेवल है, I don't think in next week Bank Nifty can go below 37,500. आया तो आप एकदम बिंदास बाय करना है आपको. ठीक है, निफ्टी में कर देते हैं फटाफट. बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा लॉन्ग हो गया, इट्स बिकेम अ लिटिल बिट लॉन्गर. ओके, वी डोंट नीड दिस ट्रेंड लाइन, राइट? ओके, क्या निफ्टी में हमारे पास चैनल है? ऑफ कोर्स. मैंने क्या बोला है, नेक्स्ट वीक बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी मेरे को थोड़े से सिंक में दिख रहे हैं. द सिनेरियोज वुड आइडियली बी सेम. ओके ओके, this is the channel of Nifty, and if we take a target from here, how many points we are talking about? We are talking about a 230 के आसपास का point, which is, let's say, yeah, 230 is coming here. Okay, 230 is coming here. Okay, yeah, so tomorrow let us see, 230 point का fall तो होगा नहीं, that I am 100% sure. So let's not go for this target. यहाँ पे हमारा support है, and the support is really huge range. If you look at the range is around 300 20 points. It's a huge range. So it's a magnet level for us. So the moment market comes down this level towards the support, there are very, very high chances market will reverse. Now, what are the areas market will reverse? Okay. So the area of market reversal in Nifty is around 17,620, which is we're talking about a 150 point fall. And since this is a support, I don't know, it might be furious, let it be furious. 10:30 से पहले तो we are not buying anyway. So around 10:30 के आसपास जो लेवल आपको मिलता है 620 मिले या 560 मिले, ये 60 पॉइंट और है. Okay, so we are talking about a 220 point fall to reach to this level. Might not happen. We will see. Okay, but after 10:30, both these levels are buy levels, 17,620 and 17,570. Let's see from where it is giving us a buy. If it is giving us a buy, let's say here, which is very, very possible, 17,620 से अगर buying करते हैं तो हम लोग ये ट्रेंड लाइन के रेजिस्टेंस तक लेके जा सकते हैं, which is our pivot, tomorrow pivot also, which is 17,800. लगे 180 पॉइंट का बाय साइड. Okay, 180 point का buy side, but this buy may come, may not come. What I would do is basically I will take a swing to be a safer trader. I'll take ideally a swing level here. Okay, swing level here. So my target I would keep 720, 100 points ka buying. Okay, I'll take 100 points ka buying, and then rest is bonus. Okay, 620 to 720 ka buying we can take. Okay, right. Now this is our scenario one. In case of gap down, in case of mild gap down, breaking the channel and coming down. Okay, first 1 hour we are going to sell. Now the second scenario, which I already told in Bank Nifty, market gaps up around this channel, comes down here and around 10:30 के आसपास, यहाँ पे 10:30 कहाँ पे आ रहा है, यहाँ पे, so which is around, yeah, so this is around the swing high. Take a support here around level 17,770 and goes up a little bit, and ultimately it closes here, which is around 17,890 आसपास, which is previous days low, previous days lows. Okay, a little bit up than that, 17,890. Okay, this might be our scenario 2. Okay, the scenario 3 would be on the upper side. On the upper side, if it is happening, okay, so my target would be, I mean, it might, my view is कि ये तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारा range bound करेगा ही करेगा, of course. Okay, this level is a sell for me, and this level is also sell for me. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो sell आता है तो ले सकते हैं 17,990, बट यहाँ पे अगर आप सेल रहे तो स्टॉप लॉस के साथ आपको लेना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे सेल ले रहे हो तो शायद स्टॉप लॉस की जरूरत ना पड़े. दैट मींस 17,950 से आप इजीली सेल मार सकते हो. इट्स ऑलरेडी, मतलब इंट्राडे में अगर देखोगे ऑलरेडी मार्केट 200 पॉइंट्स अपर साइड चला गया होगा. 200 पॉइंट्स अपर साइड अगर चला गया, देयर इज अ वेरी वेरी हाई चांस दैट योर स्टॉप लॉस माइट नॉट गेट हिट एंड यू गेट अ गुड सेल. Okay, so both these levels are sell, but यहाँ पे stop loss लगा के लेना 910 and 17,960. बट ये एरिया में मैं ट्रेड ही नहीं करूंगा. आइडियली आई वुड वेट. यहाँ से सेल शायद ना लूं, यहाँ पहुंचेगा तो सेल लूंगा, बट आई रियली डाउट के मार्केट कल यहाँ तक पहुंचेगा. सो आई वुड पर्सनली I would personally be happy if market doesn't gap up above this channel. Okay, if market doesn't ever open above this channel, then we have beautiful trades. Otherwise we may not trade tomorrow also. Wait for sell only. Okay, ठीक है. That is how we are going to trade, guys. Weekly level ध्यान में दे दो. मंडे में बाय ऑन डिप से टाइमिंग के हिसाब से करो. लेवल मैंने ऑलरेडी दे दिया. There are two ways we can do buying. We can do a buying on inside the channel, or we can do buy near the level of support. Okay, but the zone is a little bit higher. टाइमिंग के हिसाब से करो, शायद अच्छी बाइंग आपको मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, सिंपल है, इतना ही ट्रेडिंग है. ओके, आई होप आई डिडंट मेक पीपल कंफ्यूज. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनी स्टॉक रिलेटेड डिस्कशंस anymore here, at least in today's videos. We will see, probably I'll try to cover something on tomorrow evening video. Okay, thank you very much. Good night. Jai Mata.